Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Elizabeth here. Thank you so much for joining me on my unboxing journey. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Tote. I tried Stitch Fix and I loved it, and then I got all of these ads about Tote, so I said let me try it. So Tote, I found a coupon for 50% off. The lowest price membership is $69 and you get 5 products. So I got a coupon for half off. So the cool thing about Tote is that you can just borrow the pieces so it's a rental. So you don't have to buy them, you could just rent them. And then of course there is an option to buy them. So this is the way it came in the mail, and then I just opened it up a little bit. There you go. Your Monday to Sunday style soft, Tote. It's cute. Little personalized booklet. Hi Elizabeth, clothes aren't going to change the world. The women who wear them will. And then it has all of the pieces. Okay, so let's start. So I did do a little survey online to kind of let them know what I was interested in. I needed bottoms for dressy, for work, for dressy tops. I needed bottoms, so I was missing that. Tote, welcome to Tote, the fashion subscription service that lets you rent the clothing and accessories you choose. Just wear, return, repeat. So pretty simple. A little card. Some more info about the company there. And get to the packaging. Alrighty. So here is top. This is, let's see, sorry. This is the Nia short sleeve top. The price is $46. It says it's regular $58, but so it's just a simple gray top. It's not extremely soft. It's kind of got like that itchy material to it. Let's see what the material is. It's 94% polyester, 6% spandex. Okay, I guess it looked like a cotton shirt in the picture. So there's that. I'll try it on a little bit later. And then the next thing is this skirt. It's just a long skirt. This is called the Summer and Sage soft stretch maxi skirt. It says it's regular $59, but it's the Tote price is $48. So I'm not sure if I would be getting it for $48. The next is this floral skirt. It's by Sabe, S-A-B-I-E, it's accent on the E. So it says it's regular $66 and the Tote price is $54. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna fit me. I ordered mediums, so we'll see. It's cute. And the next thing is Jones New York mid-rise straight leg pants. These are, it says total sale $29, 64% off. So there's these. They're just gray work pants. The bottom is just like a straight leg bottom. They feel nice, got a nice stretch to them. And then the next thing are some black pants these are also by Sabe, mid-rise flare trousers. Regular $70, the Tote price is $50. So they're just black pants. Kind of a bigger bottom, but they're stretchy. Cute. So we'll see how they fit. And one thing that I didn't really ask is, did somebody else wear these clothes? That I don't know. There's no tags on them, so I'm thinking yes. I'm not sure. I just thought about it right now. So I'll try this stuff on. I don't know if I'll include it in the video since I am new at doing the unboxing, so I'm not sure how comfortable I am about trying stuff on. But if I do, you'll see it soon. If not, thank you so much for joining me on this unboxing. Bye.